Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the details of the best PackIt freezable lunch bag available on the market. This lunch bag is equipped with eco-freeze technology, making it a versatile option for school and office lunches. The PackIt freezable lunch bag is designed to keep your meals cooler and fresher for up to 10 hours, making it a convenient choice for those on the go. With a patented freezable gel built into the liner, there's no need for ice packs. Simply freeze the bag flat overnight for maximum cooling effect. This lunch bag features a zip closure to lock in cold, dry air and a buckle handle for easy attachment to totes, backpacks, or strollers. Made from non-toxic materials, including PVC, BPA, phthalate, and lead-free components, ensuring the safety of your food. The bag is spacious enough to fit a sandwich, snack, and a 12 ounces drink, making it a versatile option for different meal choices.
Ideal for storing dairy, fruits, veggies, and more, reducing waste and saving money while keeping your food fresh.
The foldable and reusable design makes it environmentally friendly and convenient for daily use. The innovative eco-freeze technology ensures that your food stays cooler for longer periods, making it a reliable choice for lunch storage. In conclusion, the PackIt freezable lunch bag stands out as the top choice for those looking to keep their lunches fresh and cool throughout the day. With its durable design, eco-freeze technology, and convenient features, this lunch bag is a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient solution for storing meals on the go. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique for our review of the best PackIt freezable lunch bag on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews and recommendations.
Stay tuned for our next video.